Okay, so here's an interesting exercise in reading grain when you don't have all the information you would like. If you look at this board, you can see the cathedrals clearly. So when I look at the end, I see that this is the heart. I want to go with the heart. I know that on this face, the grain is running this way, and on this face, the grain is running the opposite direction. On this board, I don't have cathedrals. All I have is growth rings. But I can take the pattern at the end of the board. I can see, based on the curvature, that this is the heart, this is the bark. And I know that on the heart side, the cathedrals, on either side, the cathedrals always run to the middle of the board. If you think about, the tangent to the rings being the middle of the board. So when you look at the end of this board, you know that the pith is somewhere right here. And so when you cut this board, the cathedrals are going to either run this way towards the center of the board, or they're going to run this way towards the center of the board. And when I look at the growth rings, they seem to all be kind of pointing very gradually in that direction. So I can basically kind of imagine the other half of the board being here, and that the cathedrals are going to go up and come back down in this direction. So if this is the heart of the board and the cathedrals are running this way, then I can assume that on this side of the board, the grain is running in that direction.